Hello, I'm Marco Lucido, a student at USF. This is my Tableau 1 project for Dr. Canis' financial accounting course. First, I will be going over my data sheets. Each individual sheet shows a particular aspect of the business's sales by comparing two different things. Usually it compares sales to time, sales by region, sales by customer, sales by product, sales by category, all of that. My case questions will be listed next, and I'll show you how I got my answers, and I use my dashboard. First, I will be going over my sheets. So here is my data. Full load. So here's all of my data. It's 7,284 rows. So it's quite a bit to sort through. So instead, we can easily find trends and compare things. So I have a sheet for some major things I wanted to see. This shows my revenue by the year, total sales by quarter and year, a little more specific, revenue by category, sales by product line, my top customers, my sales by division. Here's the map to go along with the last sheet, and here is my dashboard. So let's unselect this, and so this sums up everything that's in the sheets and helps me to find other trends and drill down to find more specific things. For example, let's look at the case questions. So here are my case questions. So for example, if I wanted to find the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020, you'd easily find that. 2020 third quarter sales revenue is 7,991,212, which is right here. Do another one. What were the total sales revenue for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021? The second quarter of 2021. First, only medical, 2021, 457,117. Oop. Let's do a few more. So you can see the features. Who is Cat Manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? So fourth quarter of 2020. Top customer would be the Boys Company. So as you can see, whenever you click a feature in this, it drills down and shows you the corresponding data for that exact feature. So if I want to see the top material processing customer, it's the Boys Company, but the top material processing customer for 2021 is the Elephant Company. So you can get really specific if you'd like, or see basic things. So if I was the top management team of Cat Manufacturing, some strategies this dashboard would help me address would be that I can show what categories had the lowest sales each year. I can work on strategies to increase sales for these specific categories. So I can show the lowest sales by seeing here, medical sales revenue had the least sales throughout the 3 years. So it's pretty easy to see. I can show what divisions have the highest sales by category. So the highest sales by category is medical material processing, and which is mostly in these different categories. Computer's glitching. So yeah, you can see this. You can see what product lines do the best in the material processing category, who's the top customers, and you can also see what customers purchase what brands, which can make marketing easier. So if I want to see the Flyco buys, you gotta turn a filter on for this, but the Flyco mostly buys single channel EDFA. The Boys Company by mid-YB. So yeah, Tableau is a very helpful tool to see trends and visualize data. Thank you for watching.